When the flame of innovation ignites, it transcends every obstacle and begins the celebration of an unsurpassed advancement. CSIR, the Institute of Minerals and Materials Technologies 1 Week, 1 Lab initiative aims to raise awareness among stakeholders about accessible technologies in the sectors of minerals, materials, and environmental sustainability, as well as to foster scientific acumen in school children, who will be the country's future young scientists. The Prime Minister's objective is to develop technology for the entire world while preserving high standards and benchmarks. It intended to provide each person with a scientifically equipped future. With the same purpose in mind, Dr. Jitendra Singh, Vice President of CSIR, announces the 1 Week, 1 Lab initiative to promote technical discoveries and achievements in each of the 37 CSIR laboratories spread across the country. Dr. N. Kalai Selvi graced the launch of the CSIR IMMT 1 Week, 1 Lab in January, and the program has brought so much joy and optimism into everyone's life since then. Let's witness the journey of 1 Week, 1 Lab. The first day of the campaign was fun. Thanks to the various programs held, it was graced by Dr. Debashish Bhattacharjee, Vice President of Tata Steel Limited. A startup and IPR conclave was held at CSIR IMMT campus, which was attended by students, professors, startups, MSME and entrepreneurs. It included case studies, lectures, a panel discussion, a value-creating interactions centered on the sectors of minerals, materials and environmental sustainability. A week-long program Jigyasa was held, aimed to instill a culture of scientific temper among students and teachers. Jigyasa hosted science exhibitions, teacher workshops and laboratory visits like Mineral Processing Lab, Mineral Processing Pilot Plant, Chromium Filtration Lab, Pipeline Transport Facility, Raceway Pond, Wetland, NABL Water Testing Lab, to name a few. Day 2 was blessed with a major event that was attended by over 125 people from Indian mineral industries, R&D, government policy making bodies, startups, MSMEs and academia, convened to discuss the decarbonization of steel and aluminium industries in India in the coming years towards net zero emission by 2070, where concerns and potential solutions were presented. The third day was devoted to the themes of the environment, waste management and pipeline transportation. The program included a poster display of scientific R&D work done by scientists and scholars, as well as a live demonstration of technologies and facilities such as slurry pipe loop test and others linked to the environment, water, waste management and pipeline transportation. The program finished with the most encouraging brainstorming session and a panel discussion. Day 4 was devoted to a one-day conclave, Blue Economy. The Common Research and Technology Development Hub, CRTDH, Blue Economy was held to encourage sustainable practices and technology development activities targeted at utilizing oceanic resources with a focus on deep-sea minerals discovery and processing. Representatives from critical areas of the blue economy, such as deep-sea mining and extractive metallurgy of seabed minerals, energy resources and fisheries, attended the conclave. The Common Research and Technology Development Hub, CRTDH, was established at CSIR IMMT with the assistance of the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, DSIR, Government of India, to provide technological solutions, facilitate startup incubation, promote MSMEs innovations, as well as to provide R&D or knowledge-based support in the area of novel minerals and chemical processes. Day 5 held an event called Chintan Shivar to strengthen transitional research and facilitate collaboration between industry and research institutions, as well as to create a conducive ecosystem for bridging the gap between scientific knowledge, ideas, and inventions and their practical application in the form of marketable products and services. The day also focused on CSIR IMMT's research and development in nanomaterials, advanced functional materials for optoelectronics, coatings and sensors, and green steel, light metals and alloys. The day also held a poster display and demonstration of various methods and products, followed by roundtable talks led by panelists from industry and academia. A research scholars conclave was held on day 6 to honor the CSIR IMMT research scholars. The scholars gave a poster session with over 100 posters and discussed various research projects with visitors and colleagues to persuade everyone of the need of research in the current situation to strive to ensure a sustainable future. Padma Shri Professor A.P. Dash, VC AIPH University Bhubaneswar, and Professor A.K. Mahapatra, former Director AIIMS Bhubaneswar, gave special talks to motivate scholars and scientists about the importance of research in the current time as humanity strives to maintain a sustainable future. It was followed by a valedictory event. The event's distinguished guests were senior, superannuated colleagues. The whole scientific community at CSIR IMMT thanked them for their enormous contributions to this institution. A step towards more sustainable India has now been taken with 1 week, 1 lab. The 1 week, 1 lab program was spectacular, inspiring everyone to reimagine scientific and technical growth in the fields of minerals, materials, and environmental sustainability, hence moving towards a sustainable India.